Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can back up data in Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's go ahead and access our Telegram app on our mobile phone first. There we go. Right over here we can see this kind of interface, right? So if you want to back up all of your information and chat and documents, you have to first access the settings icon in the bottom right. Now go ahead, simply scroll down and tap on this option of data and storage. Now you can see this kind of interface come up here, right? So you can see storage uses on top, network uses, using cellular and using Wi-Fi in the automatic media download section. For that, you have to first of all tap on using cellular and then simply slide it to high. So now go back and do the same with using Wi-Fi and make sure it's high as well, and turn on auto download media in both of them. Now once you have done so, your all of the information will be automatically be downloaded in the backup, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can see saved to photos. If you have any private chats and then that you have been sharing, make sure you have turned this on, so whatever video or messages that you share will be saved in your gallery, right? You can do that for your group chats, channels, and everything. And make sure this save edited photos are also turned on, so all of the documents that you edit out and share here in Telegram will be downloaded. And that is the way for you to simply back up your data on Telegram. But you do have to make sure that, but there's another thing, is that when you simply sign in another device with your Telegram login information, you will mostly get all of your chats right over there. You can manually choose to download on that phone of yours as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.